you're looking for. He's off. Hey, what's going on, guys? Quick update today. I just wanted to show everybody the update for what's been going on with this Tenacity. So if you look, the Tenacity has yellowed the yard a lot. It's killing these weeds, it looks like, but I'm not really a huge fan of the yellow in the yard. Some of the weeds seem to be doing all right, so I don't know how much I like it. It's done a number around this little tree. It's real streaky all over the yard. I really don't like how it's made the yard look. So I'm thinking I may try another application of it, or I may just end up spot spraying these weeds and doing something different, because I don't really want my yard to be this nasty yellowish, whitish color. Let's go over here. You'll see a lot of these weeds still. I don't know, just not too thrilled about it. It doesn't really look like it's really killing them. It's been a week now, and a lot of these are still growing. I don't know. Drop me a comment down in the comment section down here and tell me what you think I should do. Should I try some more Tenacity? Should I spray it with like a 3-way? Should I use some tri-clipper, or I don't know, something different? Let me know. Anyways, that's it for today. Real short, quick, to the point. This duck thinks I'm feeding her. Not today, duck. Anyways, if you like what you are seeing, if you like what I'm doing, feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.